Hello, lifelong learners. Thank you for joining us for another edition of Tips and Tricks. My name is Christian Sorensen. I'm a learning strategist with Planet Technologies. So today we're going to talk about 3 meeting features that you may have forgotten in Outlook Online. Now, it's easy to forget some of the options that you have when setting up a meeting. And if you're like me, sometimes you're in a hurry to get the invites out and you might overlook some of the finer details that Outlook Online offers. Well, here's a few easy things you can do to improve your experience. 1. Turn off responses. This can be a big helper. 2. Do not forward. Might be important to you. And 3. Hide the attendee list. Now, all these options are located in the response options area, and you might want to take advantage of these features. So let's go ahead and take a look. So from your Outlook Online calendar, you'll go up to select New Event to create your new meeting. When that window pops open, you'll see there at the top of the window you have response options. All these 3 features will be located there. You can request responses by leaving that checked, allow forwarding, and if you want to hide the attendee list, you can just click to check that. If you want to not request responses and not allow forwarding, you can just uncheck those. So feel free to choose whichever works best for you, but you can find all those features right there in response options at the top of this window. All right, so pretty straightforward and fairly painless. Hopefully you found this edition of Tips and Tricks helpful. The idea is that this could save you a little bit of time, maybe make things run a bit more efficiently for you when you're managing and setting up your meetings. So thanks again for spending some time with us. We'll see you next time. And if you feel so inclined, please hit that like button and the subscribe button. It does help us with the algorithm. And until next time, take care.